come to Dollar Tree, they have name brand Glad cling wrap. Did you know if you have an area rug that's sliding everywhere, you can stick a little piece underneath of it to help hold it in place.
If the pad under your rug is underperforming, this works great, especially on the corners. This is a hack you absolutely have to try. Some of these are a bit unconventional, but I promise by the end of the video, you'll be jumping for joy.
Welcome back to Do It on a Dime. If it's free or from the Dollar Tree, it's for me. None of this stuff is the junk. Like, this is the stuff that actually works, okay? So I really like these bamboo cutting boards from the Dollar Tree. Not only are these amazing for your food,
they help you stay organized in an elegant way, and because they're cutting boards, they can get wet. So I take some of these crafters cubes and I glue them onto the bottom. And think of all the things you could do with this. You could set this next to your sink, you could put plants in here, dish soap, lotions, the sky's the limit. This is a must in any bathroom.
They have these gorgeous candles this year. I love this one, spiced apple. Hold on, I know this is not smell-o-vision, but I'm gonna help you out. Toasted marshmallow wins every time.
Everything I'm sharing today is ridiculously simple. We're gonna keep it cutesy. We're gonna keep it demure. You can grab these gorgeous new charging plates. All you need is one, and I don't want you to buy anything new. Grab some fall foliage. I know you've got some in storage, and one of these beautiful $5 candles. I love this display, and more than that, I love how simple it is. For fall, I don't like to do too much. I like to have it feel beautiful and not spend a lot of time.
It's been a long time since I've shared a Dollar Tree wreath, but I had a couple of extra wreath forms at home, and Dollar Tree got this brand new artificial pampas. This is really trending everywhere right now. We're gonna do a really quick hack to make an easy wreath that's so beautiful for your front door.
This wreath is amazing, but it's $129. Absolutely no way. So the first thing I did was shop my stash, and I encourage you to do the same. I have lots of Dollar Tree florals that I've collected over the years. If you don't have any, you can get some in store, but I just encourage you to use what you've got. I wanted to do this in under 15 minutes, okay? I just grabbed some zip ties, and then I made these sprigs, this is the only new thing I bought, be my base. And then I decided to add in the similar colors and textures to my inspiration. That's really my secret when I'm working, is if I can match the color and the texture, I can often make it look like that high-end item. I think the power couple really is zip ties and hot glue. I don't do too much. I keep it simple. I pick 3 areas around my house. A beautiful spot to put a candle. I definitely have to have a wreath for my front door. I love this one. And I have a centerpiece for my table. These 3 elements make it look like I've really decorated for fall. Not only did it all come from Dollar Tree, but it was easy.
We don't need to have tacky fall. You know, we get to do classy fall. I'm not saying you're tacky. I'm glad you're here. You know, I kind of am dressed like a scarecrow today. World's easiest Dollar Tree hack. Every season they have different plates. All you have to do is grab a big plate and grab a bowl. And we're gonna E6000 this right like this. Wouldn't this make a super cool display for all of your Halloween treats?
I loved the colors and the pattern on this bowl and plate. I just thought it looked so stinking cool. And then I grabbed this little mesh pumpkin that lights up from Dollar Tree, as well as this cute little jack-o'-lantern. I think this is adorable. You ready for a hack? I got lots more. We're just warming up. You can take that cling wrap that I get from Dollar Tree, and if you're actually serving something on this, you can wrap this around the outer edge of your plate, and then it's going to prevent all of the frosting from getting ruined. It creates a little air dome on the inside, and it works awesome.
They also have these really awesome moss skulls. These are just $1.25 and they're huge. This is a brand new product. You can come and grab a charger plate. This is an alternate way to display holiday treats.
These moss skulls are beautiful, and you could display them as is, but I just put 3 of them together in a triangle like this, and then I hot glued my charger on top. This makes such a cool and unexpected base. And these hacks are only getting better. And not only that, I don't think you've seen these before. Just watch this one.
The nails are a great deal at Dollar Tree. And I've got to share with you my favorite new hack. If you go to the thrift store and you find really cute mugs that you absolutely adore, you can actually turn those into little planters using a nail. Check this out.
Grab a mug or here a little teacup and submerge it in water, and then gently tap it with a nail to pierce a hole in the bottom. The water will help prevent it from shattering, and if it does, it's not going to get on you. Now it's got a little drainage hole, and you can plant anything inside. This is so cute and definitely for the season.
You guys know I love organization, and I've got to point out the new organizers. So they have these turntables that are perfect for makeup vanities. I'm going to put on the screen what Amazon is charging. This is an awesome deal.
I actually like this better than the Amazon organizers. It's got a nice smooth glide and looks so elegant in any space.
But if you want free organization, like totally free, I am giving a free complete organizing workshop with Get Organized HQ. The link is going to be pinned to the top comment. Make sure to register for your free ticket. It's myself along with hundreds of other professional organizers. It is like an amazing resource if you're looking to get organized this year. And again, it's totally free, so make sure you take advantage. Stop. In the name of love. You can actually come up before I break your heart. Cleaning is one of those things that doesn't feel fun when you're doing it, so we've got to make it easier. And there's something about getting a deal on a cleaning product that makes me enjoy it a little more. I love scrub-free cleaner. Like this brand at Dollar Tree, hands down, is the best. Their glass foaming cleaner is incredible. And I also love their bathroom cleaner. They've expanded this line to have a shower cleaner, a total bathroom cleaner. I'm gonna show you how this works right now.
My goal is always to spend a long time testing these products, so I'm bringing you things that actually work. And my tried, tested, and true is this one. This is new to my store, this Oxidol Power Oxygen Cleaner. It's an OxyClean dupe, and Dollar Tree reviews don't lie, it's definitely great.
Oh, it's pumpkin spice? All right, do you take out the center first and then eat the rest? It's like how you eat Oreos, right? You know, as people eat the cream first and then they eat the cookie? That's what I do with these. They're so good. Some people think these taste like wax, but I think they taste divine. Look at this fancy candle. What is going on, Dollar Tree?
And if you also like to not do too much, I love these little soap dispensers. They have pumpkins, this little eyeball. I love the ghosts and the skulls. It's a pretty good deal for a lot of soap too, and we like it.
I actually really like this plush throw. Look at this. It's like printed. This is so pretty, and it's only $5. It's soft. It's so soft. Can you feel how soft? Like it cleans the lens. Feel how soft this is, Charlie. It feels really nice. Also, the canvas art at Dollar Tree. Hello. This is reminding me of something I recently saw at Hobby Lobby. This is gorgeous, and it even has texture on it. Right, can you see this? Like, get a little closer. Look, it has like texture into it, so it looks more realistic, just like the Hobby Lobby one did. Like, you can literally put these up in your home, and it looks so high-end. All right, we are taking a Do It on a Dime community vote. I've got to know what your favorite wallpaper is from Dollar Tree. They've got new patterns. Check this one out. They have this beautiful kind of like cherry blossom print. I love the color on this. That's option one. Option number two is this beautiful flower print. I think this would look great inside of a drawer. I've actually also put these on my wall in my bathroom. So print number three is going to be this blue and green flower print. And print number four, if you want to vote for this one, I've put inside of my drawers is this gorgeous bird print. Let me know in the comments below.
Two of these, the first two, are brand new prints, but like I said, I use these all around my home. I don't show anything in a video I don't use myself. And to be totally honest, when I'm shopping Dollar Tree, there's a lot I don't buy. I like to get fun ideas and try new things, but I leave a lot behind too. There's something to be said for less is more, I think.
You're like doing yoga.
It lets me save up for the stuff that's really gonna make a difference, like this.
Do you have a crock pot? Do you have mason jars? Okay, you can do this really easy hack. Your kids are gonna love this. Okay, and you're gonna need some skewers. Do you have skewers? Okay, I don't know if you actually have skewers. We have skewers, that's why he's nodding, but if you don't, come here. Skewers, the bamboo variety. You're gonna grab some of these. We're gonna make an adorable little crock pot fondue. Come here. Look at these. Look how pretty these are. And these are made of glass. Wow. I really like this one. How adorable is this for fall? Okay, I'm kind of obsessed. Butterscotch? That's what I'm calling it. White and blue. What do you think? This is new. Oh my gosh, they keep adding new products. Come on, Dollar Tree. Look at this. They have these little glass containers. This is a really great size. And I really like these lids, how they like go up on the side like that. This is really good. This food storage container, they have this little square one. And then look, they even have this one.
All you're gonna need is some melting chocolate. I like to get it in the sheaths like this because chocolate is so expensive right now, like so expensive, and this is gonna save you a lot of money. These are really easy to break down and they melt super well. I'm just gonna stick this inside of these little mason jars and then add a bit of water to the bottom of my crock pot. You can heat this up for about 20 to 30 minutes and then stir. This is the most fun after school snack. Try white chocolate, butterscotch, or even dark chocolate. My kids went back to school this week and they came home to this special treat. They were raving about it.
Be sure to sign up for Get Organized HQ. Again, it is totally free. And if you want to keep hanging out, you can click right here to save on groceries at Dollar Tree, because this is one of my favorite recent videos yet. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.